Galaxy S8 is a phone that should be one of the very first you look at when deciding which new phone to buy. The large, bezel-less display is truly iconic and beautiful, and the screen quality excellent. The fingerprint scanner being placed on the back of the phone is a poor decision from the Samsung, as well as the iris scanner, facial recognition not working anywhere near well enough to be a real consideration. However, these aren't deal breakers, and the improved battery life and tweaked camera will be among the best you'll find on a top-end flagship. The Galaxy S8 is an expensive phone, have no doubts about that, but it's one that we consider to be well worth the investment. The Samsung Galaxy is a phone that's unlike anything you'll have seen on the market. It's just stunning, and we've spent a few months testing out its workings properly. The slightly good news is that you're at least getting a 64GB version of this phone in all territories. The presence of a microSD slot means Samsung won't be launching multiple variants of the phone in different regions, instead offering a decent amount of storage as standard and giving users the option to add to it if they so wish. The Samsung Galaxy S8 has the most stunning display around, and while it's been proven factually through DisplayMate's rigorous testing, it's also clear from the moment you pick up the new S8. The colors are rich, the black and white contrast is immaculate, and everything just looks so pin-sharp. Streaming content in HD is a dream, and anything that's saved onto the device looks great.